This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the clip in the timeline and a duplicate for safety. This preserves your original. Once done, switch to Fairlight for audio noise reduction or color for spatial noise on footage. Make sure to enable high-resolution playback and set project frame rate and cache settings to avoid dropped frames. You'll also want to add a node or a duplicate track now so every change is reversible. This prepares you to apply targeted tools without losing source data. Now you apply the core noise reduction. In color, use spatial and temporal NR controls. Increase radius slowly while lowering threshold to retain detail. Once done, toggle motion estimation and change its quality to reduce artifacts. Higher settings are heavier but cleaner. Make sure to compare before slash after using split view and play several seconds to catch flicker. For audio in Fairlight, insert noise reduction plugin, capture noise profile, then reduce gain. Finish by rendering a short test clip using your final codec and bitrate so artifacts are visible. Review at 100% and listen closely to audio. If you see smearing, halos, or loss of fine detail, make small reductions to NR strength, lower temporal radius, or split processing across nodes. If audio sounds unnaturally processed, redo the capture or lower reduction percentage. One key troubleshooting tip: if artifacts persist, use a targeted mask or track-based approach to isolate problematic regions rather than global settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.